Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to edit your username or profile name on Steam account. Let's do it guys. Go to Steam, go to Friends, go to Edit Profile Name Avatar. You want to go to Privacy Setting. Profile name you want to change means change here and you can save here guys. Profile name, real name, custom URL and your location and summary informations, and go to privacy settings. You can whatever details you can post comment on my profile, friends only. You can change this as well. That you can change the avatar also. Let's say save, click on save. Profile name general you can change here and save here. That's it for today's video guys. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching my video.